Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to add Captcha to Contact Form 7. To secure your contact forms and prevent spam submissions, we'll use Google reCAPTCHA. First, open your WordPress dashboard. Go to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and search for reCAPTCHA v2 for Contact Form 7. Install and activate the plugin. After activating, go to the plugin settings and set reCAPTCHA v2 as the default option. Now, you'll need a site key and a secret key to enable reCAPTCHA. Open a new tab in your browser and search for Google reCAPTCHA. Click on the official Google reCAPTCHA website and sign in with your Google account. Once signed in, click on My reCAPTCHAs and then the plus icon to register a new site. Fill in the required details, including your website's domain, and select reCAPTCHA v2. After registration, you'll receive a site key and a secret key. Copy both keys. Go back to your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the Contact Form 7 settings. Paste the site key and secret key into the integration fields and save the changes. To finalize, add the provided reCAPTCHA shortcode at the end of your Contact Form 7 template. This will enable reCAPTCHA v2 on your form, helping block spam submissions. Now, for reCAPTCHA v3, follow a similar process. Register for reCAPTCHA v3 on the Google reCAPTCHA site and obtain the site key and secret key. Unlike v2, you don't need to add a shortcode to your contact form. Simply integrate the keys in the Contact Form 7 settings, and reCAPTCHA v3 will work seamlessly in the background, analyzing user behavior to filter out bots without requiring any interaction. Both versions enhance your site's security, with v2 offering user interaction and v3 providing behind-the-scenes protection. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials.